Don't leave attack on me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going. Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, no doubt, Vybz Kartel has changed the musical landscape of dancehall music locally and internationally, viewers and subscribers, and he has done so even on the production level by the producers he has co-signed or has chosen to work with. Producers such as Dan Carleon. Big up Dan Carleon. I remember Vybz Kartel and Dan Carleon tracks. It give me that nostalgic vibe there, reminiscent of the times when we are youth. I would just hear Vybz Kartel music, I dominate the airwaves, and we are see how that sound here. It just so, it's so fresh. It's so with the new millennium. You know what I mean? A different thing that are going in a dancehall music. Other producers such as TJ, who know Vybz Kartel was instrumental in the establishment of TJ Records and all of his new, fresh musical productions in a dancehall music. Producers such as Russian and Not Nice. I would know the situation with Not Nice. I would know the situation with Russian. Russian was definitely that producer where Vybz Kartel put out there. And the style of Russian bringing the music is now being used even internationally, being signed to Universal Records. Not Nice have a name for himself in the dancehall industry right now, working with Popcorn, Jaffras, and other artists. We all know who say Not Nice and bring Not Nice in the dancehall music. If I never have Vybz Kartel, where would Not Nice musical aspirations be today? We don't know. Producers such as The Genius, and we have to take time out to point out this. The Genius career basically stopped when him and the teacher stopped link. One of the worst decisions. And when the Genius spoke on the situation, even though the Genius has worked on projects for Drake, him say him and teacher never falling out because they never see eye to eye. He never divulged why or what the situation was about. I don't know. But him say during that time, them stop say eye to eye. And you know, these tracks were released from both camps. Of which you know Genius one never make no sense. But I would say at that point in time when his career really started to fall off. In a dancehall music currently there is no hit production out where the Genius make. Maybe I him create the rhythm, but some other producer has gained credit or taken credit for that beat. There's no big dancehall song with the Genius. And it started from 010 when him decided to say, yo, him not gonna make them song there and say what him say about the teacher. But continue with the reason, the musical landscape has definitely changed. And in this day and age now, that fusion sound is now the main focus of dancehall music. There's no current dancehall artist who is not putting out tracks with that fusion sound in mind. You name one right now we are in dancehall. As a matter of fact, one artist around dancehall. So let me reiterate that statement. You name one artist right now who have a name in the game. Whether a rising artist or an artist that out there. You don't know how to say. Vybz Kartel are the most dominant artist. But we need a multitude of artists to put out good music. Do not get the reasoning twisted. We want to see other artists that do it too. Why you think Vybz Kartel lead by inspiration? Him put the music out there, put the thought in your brain so you can realize, say, watch you know. Recently, teacher dropped a track titled Not Okay, showing the application of the dancehall sound to other genres of music. Showing our young artists, say, watch you know, man, you not have to forward out at all about certain content. Even if you is a chopper, you not have to forward out and tell me about that. And your music can still work. Show with creativity, you are now a musician, you are an entertainer. One entertainer. You're a musician, show creativity. That is the task presented to you as an artist, viewers and subscribers. But production wise, I would say dancehall music is now steadily growing. We have new producers being added to the mix. new engineers, but I would still say our biggest problem is the songs being mixed and mastered. Dan Carleone mixed good music. Dan Carleone and Russian nowadays. Russian Dan Carleone. They mix good music. We don't know why for them music sound like it mix different. But it have a different sound to it when you hear it. Even the old Vybz Kartel track them, when you listen to them now, them sound very well mixed and mastered. Some of these producers now, them not really, you know what I mean, mix the song them to a certain level. And big up TJ, Scorcher did Scorcher did well mix. I like Scorcher mix. Yeah, I like Scorcher mix. You know what I mean? It is rumored that not nice to mix music. Not at all. We don't know what truth to be. But that is a rumor, saying in the mix music. But he makes some good beat. Yeah, you know, them say he will make the beat himself. But as the mixing and production side, the mixing and mastering side, I'm probably not feeling strong suit that. But you know, it makes some good beat. I remember Street Vibes. You know? Street Vibes was a good with him. Remember that. Genius, as I'm say. Put out some good beat. Make some good song. But the fact that I'm the only art producer on the list here, we actually make a diss track. Not the only producer or the teacher stop link with someone. It's me about a person who put out a diss track. And there you go. Two into Steven's genius. But as a youth, as a progeny, I followed in a musical dynasty kind of brother and him father the music. It didn't start well. You know what I mean? As a producer. It start well. But the ending of film career was when he decided to diss Kartel. I'll just point that out there. And then they tagged as Nobody. And in a dancehall music now, the genius is really considered as Nobody. You talk to me in the comment section. Let me know you feel about that statement there. Remember, your musical contributions will always be remembered, no matter who you are, as long as you have made contributions that are worthwhile. Things will worth remembering. Once they make these level of contributions, people will remember you. So there's a whole generation who will remember certain beats and certain production where all of these producers featured on this list have contributed to the genre. Oh, and the teacher never ever said this are in favorite set or this are the best. He doesn't ask you out of this group of our producers which one you think produced one of the biggest or best tracks. Just a question in general. Not speaking to the best producers that he has worked with. Just out of this collage. You know what I mean? Simple as that. Simple as that. So for all who ask, what they must say certain producer name and no. It's not favorites or not like that. Our best producers. No, and that's another settings writers. It's just out of this particular collage. A question was presented. If you have an answer, talk to me in the comment section. Who do you think? You know what I mean? But other than that, don't overthink it. You know, have nothing to do with the teacher deciding who he feels are the best producers out there currently. This doesn't speak to that. And that nobody talk, nobody overread it. Into it. You know what I mean? Yeah, at this point in time, who is, you know what I mean? It said nobody, but now I explain no more. How am I going to explain that? The tag said nobody. What you want to say? You say what you think. I'm going to continue reading from the comment section. You know what I mean? What you think about the tag being tagged added as nobody. You may click it to carry to a page doing them. Click it as you carry to somewhere. So, you know what I mean? It tagged to a page. Maybe that time page I'm work with now. Who knows? We don't know. You know what I mean? Maybe this is the page I'm seeking to work from. So this is the page I attach the tag to. You know what I mean? Definitely a moment there. Give something to smile about it. You see, that's what I say, the teacher. Teacher is easy. But the question was presented nonetheless, and he never put Steven picture there. And he could have put any other producer there. So at the same time, still a highlight Steven. Yo, the teacher is a real youth. You're not going to run. Even though you have some people with. Because the teacher noticed this. Certain things with them are all more important to them than the teacher. You feel like a beef with another artist right now benefit the teacher right now. It benefit the other artist better. Think about it. The teacher don't have a beef with the artist. Artists want to beef with the teacher. I don't know why the teacher never tell them same plan to open a restaurant. And tell you a whole list of entrepreneurial aspirations, but whenever your teacher say you want to open a restaurant. So I don't know why people that talk about beef. Why they ever try to say beef to the teacher? I don't know what go on. But it's the one called Jayden, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the movement, new to the channel, it's a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there, drop a like on the blog, share icon in close proximity, share the video, share the vlog, tell a friend, tell them sister, and then bear them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lucky yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. You know, move settings fam, and we no need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, if you live, love, and prosper until the reason again.